with the transitioning color, and the palette I'm going to use for my transitioning color is my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It's this one right here, and I'm going to take that light bluish tealish green color. And I'm going to go into this dark blue right here. We're going to take this purple right here, yes, and some of this dark blue right here. Now I'm going to go even darker with that outer corner, and I'm going to take a little tiny bit of black because you don't want to OD on the black, just a little tiny bit. Alright, so now I'm going to cut my crease because why not? And I'm just going to put that really nice light icy teal blue on there, this one right here. And then I'm going to go into the purple in this palette, the dark purple, and I'm just going to blend out that area. So now I'm going to take a really small brush and go back into that nice icy blue. That nice icy blue right here, that teal, and then pat it in there, okay? Alright, so the eye makeup is done, the base is done, so now it is time to work on the fun part. And the most tedious part, it's the lines. I'm going to start off with this black gel liner from Kiko's, and I'm going to create the line. And I already drew out my lines like on a piece of paper just so I could follow it. So if you want to do that, go ahead, or if you just want to follow what I'm doing, go ahead, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to jump right into it. Alright, so now that all the black lines are done and outlined, which is my favorite part to do, I am going to use my gold liner to go inside the black lines, and line it up a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to put the white dots like Shuri has on her face. Alright, so we're going to work on the lips. Alright, and now I'm going to create the white line that she has going from bottom lip to her chin. Yeah, so this is the finished look right here. How do you like it, guys? With the hair, it looks bomb, right? It looks bomb, you can't lie. Inspired by SZA's hairstyle in her new video with Kendrick Lamar, All in the Stars, which is also on the Black Panther soundtrack. So it kind of like meshes together. I don't know why I made that noise with my throat, but whatever. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give me a big thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you like. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in to another video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave. It's either going to be on this side or this side. I am not sure. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in to another video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye! And I better not hear not one of y'all cop the bootleg of Black Panther. I will fight you, alright? Go see it in theaters. Don't bootleg it, you know? Damn. Y'all always trying to bootleg something. Just go, pay a ticket.